Hey guys, so I got these mesh laundry bags here on Amazon to store my bikinis and I love them. So I got a total of 9 bags. So if you buy a pack, comes with 3. And especially for the price that you're paying compared to the other brands, this is a good deal. I love the fabric. You can just looking at it see the quality of it. It's thick but also mesh. I actually had other laundry bags in the past and they were made with a mesh fabric, but the quality is not as good as these ones right here. You can see that it's like kind of like double layer, so the bikinis or even if you're washing your underwear, it's not going to get stuck on the mesh fabric, which I love. Another thing I really like about these bags is the fact that the zipper locks in place, so it's not just going to open up when you're washing your clothes. So that's also a plus. And yeah, love them, highly recommend it. The quality is really good, and if you have delicate clothes that you need to wash separately, these are perfect.